You just ask me right now. Where's Brandon?
Yes.
You mean where's your daddy?
Yes.
He's at work.
Making money.
He is making money. Hey, Kaden, can you say any bills?
Bills?
Say it again. Say it again. Kaden, say it again. Any bills? Brooklyn. Miss Brooklyn. Hello? Hi, Brookie. I'm right here. Brooklyn. 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 Are you going to turn around? Can you start? Clap your hands.
Mommy.
Clap your hands. Oh, blow kisses?
Mommy.
Oh, she's gonna, yes? I love you.
I miss you.
I'll miss you. Can you say any bills?
And bills.
I love how you say it. Can you say diaper?
Diaper.
Diaper. Apple.
Oops. Hold on. I'm going to drop it. Mama.
Yeah?
I'm dropping it.
What'd you drop?
Banana.
You dropped a banana back there? I hope
I
not.
dropping a ball.
Oh, you dropped the ball back there?
Yes. About on there.
Hi. Brookie, can you say hi?
Mommy.
Hi.
Mommy.
Yes, honey?
I can't get it.
I'll help you get it in a minute.
Get it slower.
Hi.
Mommy.
Hi. Are you waving hi?
Mommy.
Hi.
Mommy.
Can you hold on 1 minute?
No talking.
Excuse me?
No.
Okay.
No, what that? With that. Mommy.
Hi.
That's cooking.
Clap your hand.